let's discuss the general form of the equation of a circle. The general form of the equation of a circle is x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equals to 0, where d, e, and f are real numbers. So, kapag po ikaw ay magsusulat ng general form, kailangan in this form. Mauna si x squared, then y squared, then we have the x, then y, and then the last one is the constant term, then always equate it into 0. Is it clear? Let's have a review first about squaring of a binomial. So, bakit natin to kailangan reviewin? Para mas madali nyo masagutan yung general form ng ating equation. Okay? So, ito yung i-apply natin. So, simplify the following. We have the given for the first example of the squared of x plus 3. So, meaning, meron tayong two ways eh. Pwedeng FOIL method or yung, shortcut na siya. So, yung FOIL method natin, meaning ito ay x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 3. Yan yung ibig sabihin yan. Squared ni x plus 3. So, let us have FOIL method. X times x, we have x squared plus x times 3, we have 3x. 3 times x, we have another plus 3x. Then, 3 times 3, the answer is plus 9. Is equal, simplify 3x plus 3x. Just copy x squared plus 3x plus 3x. The answer is 6x plus 9. So, yan na yung sagot. So, paano yung mas madaling way? So, basta tandaan nyo lang to So, square mo yung first term. Ang sagot dyan ay x squared. Pagkatapos, multiply mo yung 3 times x. Etong dalawa. 3 times x is 3x. Tapos, ta-times mo siya sa 2. Lagi yung ita-times sa 2. Pagka-multiply mo nung nasa loob, imumultiply mo siya lagi sa 2. So, 3 times x is 3x times 2, the answer is plus 6x. Ganun lang. Then, squared mo yung last term, the answer is plus 9. So, eto na yung inyong simplification, itong squared ni x plus 3. Parehas lang naman. Okay? Isa pa. We have here, eto meaning niyan, y minus 2 times y minus 2. Ito yung mahabang way. Square mo yung y times y, the answer is y squared. Y times negative 2, the answer is negative 2y. Negative 2 times y, the answer is another negative 2y. Negative 2 times negative 2, the answer is positive 4. So, it is equal to y squared. So, since same sign yan, add mo lang din. Negative 2 plus 2, the answer is 4y. Then, plus 4. So, ito yun sagot. So, dun tayo sa short way. Squared mo yung first term, ang sagot dun ay y squared. Multiply mo tong dalawang term. Negative 2 times y. The answer is negative 2y. Tapos nun, multiply mo ulit siya sa 2. Negative 2y times 2, the answer is negative 4y. Then, squared mo itong 2. The answer is plus 4. Tandaan po, laging ang dulo niya ay positive Kasi negative 2 then squared, meaning negative 2 times negative 2 is positive. Okay? So, this is now your answer. So, pareha siya. Ito. Short way tayo yung mas madali. Square ng x squared. Multiply mo to. Negative 5 times x is negative 5x. Times mo sa 2. The answer is negative 10x. Then, plus, square nitong 5, we have 25. So, ganun lang kasimple. Nagigets po? So, dito, kailangan lang ay, pwede rin naman ganito. Yung 5, multiply mo na agad sa 2. 5 times 2, the answer is 10. Negative 10 times x, we have negative 10x. Pwede rin ganoon. Okay? Pwede multiply mo agad sa 2 para hindi ka na malito. For example, isa pa, number 4. I have y plus 7 squared equals. Okay? Squared ni y squared. 7 times 2, 14. 14 times y, 14y. Plus 14y. Then, Anong squared ni 7? 7 times 7 is plus 49. Yun na yung sagot. So, that is how will you have the square of a binomial. Now, let's move with the general form of the equation of a circle. Write the equation of the circle in general form. Our given here is the center and the radius. So, for us to find the general form here, you are going to write first the standard form. Dun muna tayo pupunta kay standard form. So, the standard form of this equation is, we have x, since negative ito, it becomes positive, plus 2 squared, then plus y, since negative ito, pagiging positive, plus 3 squared is equals to 2 squared. Then, simplify 2 squared. So, we have x plus 2 squared plus y plus 3 squared is equal to 4. Ito na yung standard form mo. Yan. So, after you have the standard form, let us have the general form. So, how will you find for the general form? You're going to expand this one using the squaring of a binomial. Yung kaninang review natin. Let us square the binomial of the squared of x plus 2. Doon na tayo sa pinaka-shortcut natin. Yung squared ng first term, we have x squared. Next, yung 2 multiply mo sa 2 ulit, 2 times 2, we have 4. Tapos times x, we have 4x. Plus 4x. Next, the square of 2, we have 4 again. Plus 4. Yun na yan. Next, plus tayo. Ito yan na. Next tayo, sa y plus 3. Square ng y, we have y squared. Yung 3 multiplied by 2, we have 6. 6 times y, we have 6y. Plus 6y. Next, squared mo yung 3, meaning 3 times 3, we have plus 9. Is equal to 4. Yan. Afterwards, gagawin na natin siyang in the form of x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f. So, unahin natin yung x squared at saka y squared, then yung may x, then yung may y. So, we have here x squared. Just write x squared. Next, yung may y squared. Just write plus y squared. Then yung may x plus 4x. Then yung may y plus 6y. Then, lahat ng walang letters, lalagay natin sa dulo. So, ano yun? We have plus 4. We have plus 9. Then, equals to 4. Yeah. Then, afterwards, combine natin yung like terms. Since ito ay constant din, kailangan daw maging 0 to eh. So, magta-transpose natin yung 4 sa kabilang side. Si positive magiging negative. So, rewrite lang natin. We have x squared plus y squared plus 4x plus 6y, then plus 4 plus 9, then yung 4 magiging minus 4. Then equal na siya sa 0. Then combine mo lang to. Okay? Tsaka copy this one, x squared plus y squared plus 4x plus 6y, then 4 minus 4 ay 0, ang matitira na lang ay si plus 9 is equal to 0. So, this is now your general form. Ganun lang po ka, simple. Then, paano kung ang hinahanap mo ay si D? Ano D mo dyan? Yung katabi ni X, which is 4. Ano naman ang iyong E? Ang E mo, yung katabi ni Y, which is 6. Then, ano naman yung F mo, which is 9. Is it clear? Let's have another example. Number 2. We have a given of a center of 0 and 0, then r is equal to the square root of 6 units. So, punta tayo sa standard form muna. So, ano yung standard form natin? Ang standard form nito, since ang ating center is nasa origin, we have x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. So, yan lang. So, you are going to substitute. So, x squared plus y squared, ang papalitan mo lang ay si r. Ang r mo is square root of 6. Then, squared mo lang yan. So, you have x squared plus y squared. Then, canceled out squared yung radical sign. Ang matira mo na lang ay si positive 6. Then, for the general term, kailangan daw naka-equate siya into 0. So, you have here x squared plus y squared. Then, just transpose positive 6. So, it becomes minus 6. Then, equal na siya to 0. So, ganun na siya kasimple. This is now your general form. Ayan na yung general form mo. Then, kung ang hinahanap mo ay D, meron bang D? We have 0. Kung ang hinahanap mo ay si E, meron bang E? We have 0. What is F? That is negative 6. Next, examples. Number 3. We have a center of 0 and 5, then a radius of 7 units. So, again, we are going to find for the standard form first. So, our standard form here, we have here h and then k. So, we have x minus 0 squared plus, we have y minus 5 squared, then equal to 7 squared. So, that's the standard form. Then, simplify. So, x minus 0 is x, then squared. The answer here is x squared. Then, plus y, just copy, y minus 5, then squared, then equal to 7 squared. The answer here is 49. This is now your standard form. Next, let us have the general form. We are going to simplify the square of y minus 5. This one, just copy. We have x squared plus, anong square ni y? The answer is y squared. Then, yung 5, multiply mo by 2. 5 times 2, we have 10. 10 times y, we have negative 10y. Kung ano yung sign mo dito, kailangan din yung sign sa pangalawang term mo. Okay? Then, 5 squared, we have plus 25. 5 squared means 5 times 5. Then, equals to 49. Afterwards, si 49, itatranspose mo sa kabilang side. So, your answer is x squared plus y squared minus 10y plus 25, then transpose minus 49 equals to 0. So, hindi pa ito yung answer kasi meron ka pa ditong dalawang constant term na kailangan mo siyang i-combine. So, just copy x squared plus y squared minus 10y. 25 minus 49, we have negative 24. Then, equals to 0. So, this is now your answer for the general form. But if you are going to find for D, ang D mo, yung katabi ni x ay wala. So, we have 0. Ang E mo, katabi ni y, which is negative 10. Then, ang F mo, we have negative 24. Is it clear? Let's have another one. Number 4. Given the square of x minus 6 plus the square of y plus 3 is equals to 10. Ang given natin dito is already at the standard form na. So, naka-standard form na siya, kaya punta na tayo agad kay general form. So, we are going to expand this binomial and then this binomial. So, what is the square of x? Again, we have x squared. Then, si 6, double mo, times 2 mo si 6, we have negative 12 kasi negative to. Negative 12 times x, we have negative 12x. Then, square mo si 6, meaning 6 squared or 6 times 6, the answer is plus 36. Then, plus, dito tayo sa second. The square of y, we have y squared. Then, si 3, doblehin mo, we had 3 times 2, 6 times y, we have plus 6y. Next, the square of 3. 3 squared, the answer is plus 9. Is equal to 10. Next, arrange na natin siya sa standard form. As a general form, we have here x squared. Sunod natin is plus y squared. Sunod ay si 12. Minus 12x. Sunod ay si y. Plus 6y. Sunod yung mga walang term, walang variables. We have plus 36, plus 9. Si 10, lipat mo na sa kabilang side. So, magiging na siyang minus 10 equal na sa 0. Okay? Then, copy again. X squared plus y squared minus 12x plus 6y. Then, this one, combine mo. 36 plus 9 is 45. 45 minus 10, the answer is positive 35 is equal to 0. So, ito na ang ating general form. General form. So, kung hahanapin mo ay si D, we have yung katabi ni X, which is negative 12. Ang E natin, we have 6. And then, ang F natin, we have positive 35. Is it clear? So, let's have another example. Number 5, given x squared plus the square of y minus 10 is equals to 25. So, it is already again in the standard form. So, no need to change it as the standard form. Move na tayo agad kay general form. So, therefore, ito ay magiging x squared plus, just copy, squared ni y, we have y squared. Then, double mo yung 10. So, times 2. 10 times 2, we have 20. Negative yun, ha? Negative 20 times y, we have negative 20y. Then, squared mo yung 10, meaning 10 times 10, the answer is plus 100. Then, equal siya to 25. Then, arrange natin. We have x squared plus y squared. Since walang x, no need na. Doon na tayo kay y. Minus 20y. Then, plus 100. Then, si 25 lipat mo lang sa kabilang side. Minus 25. Then, equal to 0. Tandaan lagi na equate dapat kay 0. Combine like terms, 100 minus 25. Copy. X squared plus y squared minus 20y. 100 minus 25 is positive 75. Is equals to 0. Ayan na, tapos na. Again, anong D natin? Katabi ni X, wala. 0. Ang E natin, katabi ni Y, negative 20. Ang F natin, we have positive 75. Next example, number 6. The square of x minus 10 plus square of y minus 3 is equals to 196. Okay. Yung given natin, naka-standard form ulit. Okay na yan, naka-standard form na. Let us find the general form. Let us expand this one. Squared ng x mo, we have x squared. Double 10, 10 times 2, we have 20 times x, we have 20x. Since negative to, negative dapat. 20x. Next, ang squared ng 10 means 10 times 10, the answer is plus 100. Next, plus. Squared na y, we have y squared. Then, doblehin si 3, we have 3 times 2, the answer is 6 times y, we have 3y. Negative dapat, 3y, kasi negative to. Next, squared ni 3, we have plus 9. Then, equals to 196. Next, combine natin. Pagsama-samahin, let us have in the form na ngayon ng x squared plus y squared. Arrange na natin. We have here x squared, sunod ay y squared. Plus y squared. Next tayo. Negative 20x. Next tayo. Negative 3y. Next, we have plus 100. Then, plus 9. Then, ito, transpose mo na sa kabila. Minus. Kasi positive ito, magiging negative. 196 is equals to 0. Next tayo. We have x squared plus y squared minus 20x minus 3y. Then, combine natin lahat ng positive para mas madali. Plus 109 minus 196 is equals to 0. Tapos, solve mo yan. So, we have x squared plus y squared minus 20x minus 3y. 109 minus 109 minus 196, we have negative 87. Bakit negative? Kasi mas mataas yung 196, which is the sign is negative. Is it clear? Equals to 0. So, ito na yung inyong general form. Yan. Pati hinahanap ulit natin si D. Ang D mo is negative 20. Ang E mo is negative 3. Ang F mo is negative 87. Is it clear? Let's have the last example. Our given is, our center is 2 and negative 5 and the radius is square root of 13 units. So, center and radius ang given natin. So, kailangan natin i-change muna siya into standard form. Ulit natin na, standard form, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equals to r squared. So, this one is your h, then this is your k. Let us substitute. We have x minus, anong h mo? We have here 2 squared plus y. So, since ang k mo ay negative, ito na ay magiging positive. Kasi negative times negative is positive. We have 5 squared is equal to the square root of 13, then squared. Simplify. So, you have x minus 2 squared plus y plus 5 squared is equals to 13 na lang. Kasi cancel. Is it clear? Next, punta na tayo ngayon kay general form. Ito na yung standard form mo eh. So, expand natin. Squared ng x, we have x squared. Multiply mo si 2 sa 2 ulit. 2 times 2, we have 4. Since negative to, minus 4x. Then, squared mo yung 2 ulit, plus 4. Plus. Squared ng y, we have y squared. 5 times 2, the answer is 10. 10 times y, we have plus 10y. Next, squared ni 5, we have plus 25. Then, equals to 13. After that, arrange na natin. So, we have x squared muna. Sunod, we have plus y squared. Next, we have negative 4x. Next, we have plus 10y. Next, yung mga walang numbers, we have plus 4, plus 25, yung mga walang variables pala. Then, si 13, lipat mo na sa kabila. Minus 13 is equals to 0. Then, combine natin ere. So, we have x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 10y. Then, 4 plus 25, the answer is 39. 39 minus 13, we have plus 26 is equal to 0. So, this is now your general form. That is now your answer. Ito ang iyong D, ito ang iyong E, and this one is your F. Okay? Do you have any question regarding writing the equation of the circle in general form? So, kung may tanong, just comment lang po. At kung meron pa kayo gustong matutunan, comment lang po sa ating chat box. Okay? So, thank you for listening. So, hope you enjoy and you learned writing equation of the circle in general form. Thank you. Bye-bye!